At a time when terrorism seems to be the greatest challenge facing humanity, nations worldwide are more concerned about the impacts of climate change. But what exactly is climate change? How many of us are aware of climate change? What are the causes of climate change? Who is to be blamed for climate change? And most interestingly, is it climate change or global warming? One of the issues today that unite the entire human race in concern is climate change, commonly known as global warming. Over the last century, industrial development and technological advancement has completely changed the way humans live. But unfortunately, this has come about at a great expense. All this while, our planet has quietly endured terrible suffering. The increasing needs of a burgeoning global population has taken a heavy toll on the environment, and the climatic balance has rapidly deteriorated in the last few decades. But thankfully, we have realized that the situation is critical, and we have to act now to save Earth, our only home. While most of us may be left baffled by the aforesaid question, British Council in India, as a part of its Low Carbon Futures initiative, recently conducted a survey to explore the outlook of young people in India towards the issue of climate change and measure the strength of concern, attitude and behavior towards its impact. In India, global warming has a universal reference over climate change. It is commonly perceived as the rise in temperature of the earth due to increase in pollution and deforestation. But global warming is one of the impacts of climate change, as it is the latter that poses greater threat to our planet today. What is more alarming is that exactly how many of us are actually aware of climate change and what are we doing to combat the same. Even more surprising is the fact that 83% of India is aware of this impending challenge, of which only 12% are doing something